Welcome to SumTime06. Today we're working with Unit 4. In Unit 4 there are 24 questions, and as usual we'll mix them all up. Problem 7. A philatelist divides his stamp collection among his grandchildren. The oldest gets 1/2 of the collection. The next gets 1/4. And the next gets 1/5. And the youngest gets the remaining 49 stamps. How many stamps are there in the collection? Well, if one gets 1/2 and one gets 1/4 and one gets 1/5 and there are 49 left, what fraction is left after we take away 1/2, 1/4 and 1/5? Let's try and work it out. That's 2, 4, 5. What is the lowest common denominator, the lowest common multiple of 2, 4 and 5? Well, 5 times 2 is 10, but 4, doesn't go into it. Let's try 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 10 times 2 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. So let's change them all into 20ths. 1/2 is the same as 10 20ths. 1/4 is the same as 5 20ths. And 1/5 is the same as 4 20ths. So we have 10, 5 and 4. That makes 19 20ths. And what's left over? 1/20th. So 49 stamps is the same as 1/20th. Now, if we multiply 49 by 10, that's 490. If we double it, because we're multiplying by 20, that makes 980. So there were 980 stamps in the collection. Get it? Problem 1. When manufacturing bars of soap, the cutting machine produces scraps. The scraps made from 11 bars of soap can be made into 1 extra bar. What is the total number of bars that can be made after cutting 250 bars of soap? Well, of course, we have to divide 250 by 11. Can you do that? Well, 10 times 11 is 110, so 20 times 11 is 220. 220 from 50 is 30. That makes 2 times 11, 22 and 8 left over. So, after cutting 250 bars, we have 22 extra bars. But 22 extra bars can be divided by 11, giving us 2 more. So the total number of extra bars is 22 plus 2. That's 24, and a bit left over.